This in here. It looks like peanut butter and jelly, low-key. Oh my god, wow, that's so good. What's up, guys? Yes here. Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can tell by the title of today's video, we are going to be making viral TikTok coffee recipes, which I'm so excited about. You guys know that I'm obsessed with coffee TikTok, so I'm excited that we're gonna try out these recipes and then we're gonna taste them, and I wanna let you know what the vibe is. So if you guys are ready, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell so you guys get notified every single time that I upload. If you guys are ready, then let's go ahead and jump. All right, so the first recipe that we're making is a cheesecake latte, and this one is from Coffee Bay. You guys, her videos are everything. I will literally stay up at night and just like rewatch all of her videos because they're just so aesthetically pleasing and they look so yummy. So I'm really excited to be trying this one out right here. We already made our mixture right here. It's in here. Smells cheesecakey. I'm gonna go ahead and add all of the ingredients and everything and the TikToks down below in the comments so that way you guys can go and like look at the video yourself. But I have my espresso here, which I made in my mocha pot. And now we're pretty much just gonna, I need to get better eyes because my eyes are like big and not cute. So I need to step it up with my eyes. I'm gonna go ahead, and pour our espresso in. I'm not gonna make it that big just because we're gonna be trying several different drinks. Then we're gonna add some soy milk. All right. And then we're gonna go in with our cheesecake paste, which is supposed to be a little like thick. Oh. Did you guys see that little chunk of cheesecake? Okay, so this is what we're working with here. It's pretty much just espresso, milk, and then the little thing up top. And then the cheesecake. So I feel like I need something. I think I'm gonna add some vanilla syrup. It's pretty good, but I'm not really tasting the cheesecake. So I have a little chunk of cheesecake here. Let me see. It's good, but I'm not really tasting the cheese, cream cheese here at all, really. I don't know what I could have done differently. Maybe added more cheese, cream cheese, for it to taste a little bit more cream cheesy. I'm not sure. All right, so for the next drink, we're gonna be using some instant coffee, which is this one right here. And then she made, it's pretty much a snickerdoodle iced coffee, but they didn't have the snickerdoodle creamer, so I'm gonna be using the oatmeal cookie one, which is this one right here. And then these right here are just extra like syrups and caramel sauces that I picked up just because I'm trying to like amp up my coffee bar. You guys already know this, but I'm going to scan my receipts with you guys here for Fetch. If you guys haven't heard about Fetch, then you have not been watching my videos. But pretty much Fetch is a rewards program where you earn rewards for shopping, and it's cool because I was already gonna buy this stuff, you know what I mean? You could use it for grocery shopping, you could use it for online grocery shopping, you could use it on Amazon, you can use it just any kind of shopping, whether you're going to like the grocery store or you're going to just like regular store, clothing, whatever it is, and you get points for it, which is really cool. So you pretty much just download the app and then you go on it, and it's really easy. There's like a little camera section here, and then you pretty much just go on and you scan the receipt and then you submit it. And then what's cool is that certain brands will give you bonus points sometimes. And then what's cool is that with your rewards, you can get gift cards to certain things, gift cards for coffee, gift cards for Amazon, magazines, just all kinds of different stuff. And like I said, what's cool about it is that you were already going to purchase the things that you need, and then you just get like extra rewards. So you're already doing the shopping, so why not get some extra points along with it, you know? All right, so we're gonna go in with a few of these. Some sugar. She didn't really say specifically how much, she just kind of did what I did. And then we're gonna add some cinnamon. All right, so now we have some hot water. We're just gonna add it in there. And then we're going to use our frother to just mix all of that up. I feel like it might need more sugar. My heart is just telling me that it needs more sugar. All right, so now we're going to add this in here. And then we're gonna add some milk. And she added, like I said, the snickerdoodle, but we don't have that, so we're gonna go in with oatmeal cookie. All right, so we are, okay, that smells pretty good. And now we're gonna go in with some of that same creamer, but like frothed. Okay, that looks pretty bomb. Let me mix it up a little bit. I'm gonna be really hyped after this. Wait. Oh my god, this is so good. Wow, and you could really taste like the oatmeal cookie. Hold on. Let me do a little, oh, that was kind of a lot. Oh my god, wow, that's so good. That is so good. That is literally so freaking good, wow. The cinnamon on top is like, yes. All right, guys, so I wanted Michael to taste it, but he's not in today's video because he is not ready.
I'm in like my yard clothes.
He's in his yarda clothes, in his manly clothes, and he really doesn't want to be on camera, but taste it.
Ooh.
Wow, right? Isn't it so good?
It's good.
I want you to be in the video with me.
Ooh.
Isn't it so good? What does it taste like to you?
Cinnamon.
Okay, well, it was supposed to be
now it's cinnamon,
cookie.
coffee, like.
It tastes like coffee?
Yeah.
I know.
What do you mean, you know?
Well, because you're saying it tastes like coffee, but it is coffee.
Cinnamon coffee, and it has a nice little cream touch to it.
It's oatmeal cookie.
So a cream touch to it that's very good, and it's cool.
Mmm. So this one right here is a blueberry iced coffee, and as you guys know, when I tasted that Dunkin' Donuts one, the blueberry was kind of a hit. So I'm excited for this one. Okay, so I could have sworn we had black sugar, and it seems like we don't. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and just use powdered sugar. Is it going to be the same? Probably not, but we're gonna deal with it. Okay, so this is what the mixture looks like. It looks a little bit runny, honestly, but maybe I just used too much water. Are you serious? Like, I put way too much sugar in here. I was just so close to spilling this on the floor. Oh my god, that would have been tragic. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put our mixture in here. I don't know how you say the word in English, but conserva, like conserva de mango. No? That's what it tastes. That's what it smells like. All right, so now we're gonna add in the milk. All right, there we go. Okay, you can see it better from over here. Do you see the mixture? It kind of looks like peanut butter and jelly, low-key. Where is my spoon? Where's my spoon? Spoon. Very interesting color it's taking on here. We should have used brown sugar and not powdered sugar, but that's all I had, so. You guys, it's like I'm like confusion right now because I can't, like there's a lot of tastes going on and I don't really know like what's happening. Like, am I tasting the blueberry? I can taste the coffee, I can taste the blueberry, but I'm just kind of like thrown off like by the sugar. I don't know if it's like the sugar is giving me like sugar-free vibes, you know? You guys know what I'm talking about or no? I think it's a hit. All right, guys, so this is the next one that we're making. It is pumpkin dalgona, whatever. It's been a hot minute since I've had dalgona coffee, since like the beginning of quarantine. So I'm pretty excited to taste it. All right, let's go. So the water's heating up right now. So we're doing 2 tablespoons coffee, 2 tablespoons sugar. It's a lot of sugar, y'all. And then a 1/4 teaspoon of pumpkin pie spice. if aesthetic coffee life is for me, you guys, because I'm so clumsy. Okay, there we go. Put that in there. All right, so I have 2 tablespoons of hot water. We're gonna put it in here. Ooh. I'm gonna put all of the TikToks down below. I just didn't want to go through too much of the motions, you know, where it's gonna take too long. And I have my milk here. I'm gonna go ahead and do about half right there. All right, and then we're just gonna pour this over. See, look, is it spilling? I feel like it's gonna spill. I can't even move it, you guys. The ice is like frozen. Look at that. See, I don't know if I could be a coffee aesthetic person because I'm just too clumsy. Nope. We need to mix it. Should I just put it in here? Okay. That wasn't as bad as I thought. I wonder if I used too much pumpkin spice because it's like really pumpkin-y. Okay, let's see. I think I used too much pumpkin spice, you guys. Ugh. I think I used too much pumpkin pie spice, but I'm pretty sure she said like 1/4, and I'm pretty sure that's what I used. So I don't really know because it doesn't really taste that good, honestly. It tastes like really strong of pumpkin pie spice, like just like, ugh. All right, that last one was honestly low-key kind of gross. It was not a hit. So I think I'm all coffeeed out for the day. I did all of these back to back. Anytime that I do coffee, I usually try to space them out just because you guys know at the end of it, I'm like bouncing off the walls. But I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. There was some other ones that I really wanted to do that I saw that Emma Chamberlain did. It was like Lucky Charms coffee, but I don't have any Lucky Charms and I didn't see that beforehand, so I didn't think of that, you know. But maybe next time. Don't forget to follow me on TikTok and on Instagram because I have all the ingredients now, okay, to make my TikTok coffee things. I know I've been telling you guys this, but I'm seriously gonna do it for real. And also don't forget to check out the link down below for Fetch, so that way you guys can use my code and you guys can get 2,000 extra points anytime that you guys scan your first receipt. So is that all that I had to say? I think so. Oh, also, all the TikToks will be down below so you guys can check out like the in-depth recipes and you guys can live for how aesthetically pleasing and perfect they are. But I love you guys so much. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll talk to you guys next time.